Meaning of hypodermic needle.
Hypodermic needle.
Hypodermic needle.
Hypodermic needle.
Hypodermic needle. A hypodermic needle is a tool used in medical procedures to administer substances beneath the skin or into the bloodstream. The needle has a sharp point, which allows it to pierce the skin, and a hollow tube that delivers the substance to the desired location. Hypodermic needles are commonly used for injections of medications, vaccinations, and for drawing blood. Due to their widespread use, proper disposal of hypodermic needles has become an important issue to prevent accidental injury and the spread of infectious diseases.